Centre is likely to bring an impeachment motion against former Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma in the cash at residence case during the upcoming Monsoon Session. The move follows Justice Verma's indictment by the Supreme Court in-house inquiry panel. Earlier this month, a three-member committee set up by the Supreme Court had confirmed the presence of cash found at the High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma's residence in New Delhi after a fire broke out there around Holi on the 14th of March. My colleague Sunil Prabhu has the details.
A lot of questions. Firstly, of course, yes, government has sent the letter which has been sent by the Chief Justice of India to the Prime Minister, to the presiding officers to take cognizance of the note about the fact that they would like the impeachment for Justice Yashwant Varma to take place because the internal committee has found him guilty, and they would like to take action in this regard about what they believe is a complete and unacceptable behavior of a judge. Having said that, the government can't really move a motion because there is the independence of the judiciary. There's a rules and procedures that have been done. It will definitely have to have the support of the government. When you say support of the government, it means treasury benches, the BJP and its supporting parties, the NDA, whether they will sign it. 100 members of parliament in the Lok Sabha, or for that matter, 50 in the Rajya Sabha, have to be done. It's not the first of an impeachment motion. And once that process is done, it will need bipartisan support because you need two-thirds majority in the House, in both houses of Parliament. More importantly, at least half of them, present and sitting. The clear case was the Ramaswamy case, where while the impeachment motion was passed, there was less than half the members in the House, and that is why it could not go forward. Justice Sumitra Sen's case is a clear example where it went through in the Rajya Sabha, but before it went to the Lok Sabha, he submitted his resignation and it was deemed not moved in terms of impeachment. Have there been earlier instances, as you asked? Yes, there has been a Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, who's wrote to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2019 for Justice Shukla, who in the very same case, like Justice Yashwant Varma, judicial work was removed. He was not given any work, and he was part of the Allahabad High Court. But for best reasons known to the government, they refused to act at that stage against Justice Shukla, and that is what happened. Here in the case of Justice Yashwant Varma, who has a tenure till 2030, there is a fit case for impeachment, but it will of course be, once that motion is passed, a committee will have to be set up and which will constitute of an independent body and along with it a legal jurist well known in this field to really decide whether he's guilty or not guilty.